This is called Invest 94L. So it doesn't look all that impressive, right? There's definitely a swirl there, a little bit of thunderstorm activity. Conditions aren't super conducive for this thing to develop, at least in the short term. 50% chance of development now with this system in 7 days, only 10% in the next 2 days. So over the next 10 days, there is a signal of something trying to develop right there, about a 30 to 40% chance. So you can surmise that's where you're going to get about a 50% chance. Some of the guidance, at least the European, there's a little bit of hint of a recurve. That looks very unlikely. Majority of it takes it here and pushes it west. Also notice nothing heading this way.